guys, there are some skin defects that you may be having on your skin that a mild Nivea or Dove or Vaseline lotion would not be able to get rid of. For example, you're having dark spots, you're having hyperpigmentation, you're having uneven skin tone, and you're expecting a regular Nivea or a Dove or a Vaseline lotion to clear those defects on your skin for you. They might not work on your skin. You're having uneven skin tone, your knuckles are dark, your face is fair, your body is dark, your feet are fair, and you're using a Nivea body lotion or a mild body lotion for you to correct those defects. They might not work on your skin. You're also having little bumps on your butt or your bum. You're having them on your hand or on your body, and you're using a regular body lotion. They might not work for you as well. Now, all you need to do in order to get rid of all these blemishes is that you need to invest your money in lotions that are exfoliating. That's to say, you need to invest in exfoliating body lotions. Okay, these exfoliating lotions contains powerful chemical ingredients. Okay, now these powerful chemical ingredients have the ability to penetrate into your skin, and when they penetrate into your skin, they'll be able to get rid of all those blemishes on your skin and be able to have your skin cleared up and give you a clear skin. Okay, anywhere you hear glycolic acid, lactic acid, mandelic acid, salicylic acid, all these acid, they are all chemical exfoliants and they are found in body lotions. Okay, now these acids or these exfoliants has the ability to penetrate into your skin and give your skin its clear, radiant look. Okay, and in today's video, I have 3 powerful exfoliating body lotions that will be useful to you guys. The first lotion on our list is the Alpha Skincare Renewal Body Lotion. This lotion is one of my best and favorite exfoliating body lotion. Why this lotion, which is the Alpha Skincare Renewal Body Lotion, why it is powerful is because that it contains 12% glycolic acid. Okay, now if you have a sensitive skin, that's to say that your skin tends to react to lotions very easily, or anytime you use a lotion you start having reactions on your skin, please avoid this Alpha Skincare Renewal Body Lotion. And why I'm telling you to stay away from this particular lotion is because of the 12% glycolic acid that is found in this body lotion. It is going to be too strong for your skin if you have a sensitive skin. This particular body lotion is going to even out your skin, is going to brighten your skin, is going to give your skin this glow. And why this is going to happen is because of the 12% glycolic acid present in this particular lotion. Now, this glycolic acid has the property of brightening your skin. If you have dark spots on your skin, if you have bumps on your buttocks, on your butt, this lotion is going to help to clear those blemishes off from your skin. Okay, now this particular body lotion, some skincare vendors might want to cheat you by selling this lotion very expensive. Please do not allow anybody to cheat you. Shine your eyes very well. This lotion is from the price range of 18,000 naira. Don't allow anybody to cheat you. Okay, if you want to buy this particular body lotion, go online, search, and know the right amount that is going to cost, because you know nowadays things are increasing in the market. So what you're going to do is to go online, search for the prices of this lotion so that you'll be able to know what the current price is in the market. Now, the second lotion I have for you in this video today is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Radiant Body Lotion. This lotion is another amazing body lotion which is good for your skin, and it is from the Palmer's brand. Okay, now for my beautiful and handsome family that has a sensitive skin or a normal skin, this lotion is perfect and suitable for your skin. Why I said that this lotion is perfect for a sensitive skin or a normal skin is because it doesn't contain glycolic acid in it. Now, the exfoliating ingredient in this particular lotion is the lactic acid. Now, the lactic acid is not as harsh as the glycolic acid, okay, making it ideal for people that have sensitive to normal skin. This particular lotion will penetrate into your skin and give your skin this clear and glowy effect. Okay, it doesn't just contain lactic acid, it also has other very nice and amazing ingredients such as cocoa, shea butter, coconut oil, vitamin E. Cocoa butter is also found in this body lotion, which makes it suitable and also very nice for your skin. Okay, Now, this other ingredient found in this body lotion is going to help to cushion the lactic acid effect that is found in this body lotion. Okay, what I mean by cushioning the effect of this lactic acid is because, you know, as someone that has a sensitive skin, maybe this lactic acid might be a little bit harsh on your skin. So these other ingredients such as the vitamin E, the cocoa butter, the coconut oil is going to help to make this lactic acid very suitable and okay for your skin, so that your skin doesn't react to this lactic acid. Okay, now the third lotion in this video is the Ameliorate transforming body lotion. Guys, this lotion is very nice and also mild for your skin as well. Okay, this lotion is quite affordable and also contains lactic acid in it, and the lactic acid is the exfoliating ingredient that is found in this particular body lotion. It is ideal for normal to sensitive skin. It is good for rough bumpy skin, and also will help to give you an even skin tone. All right, you can apply this lotion on your butt, on your buttocks, anywhere you have any bumpy feeling on your body. You can apply this lotion there, and this lotion is suitable for kids above 3 years. Okay, the dermatologist has already said that this lotion is good for kids that are from 3 years and above. Okay, so guys, these are the 3 amazing body lotions that I have for you today. Okay, if you know that you want to be applying this lotion, or you want to use any exfoliating body lotion, please and please and please do not apply this lotion during the daytime. This is only applied during the night. Okay, and why I said it's applied during the night is because of the ingredients or the exfoliating ingredients found in this lotion, such as the glycolic acid, the lactic acid, the salicylic acid, and the rest of them all. They do not go well with sunlight, you know, so that you will not have sunburn. Okay, so please apply these lotions perfectly at night, and you are going to see your skin look different. It's going to glow in a different way. All right, so guys, we've come to the end of my video. If this video was quite helpful to you, please give this video a like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. It is totally free. Please like this video in order to encourage me and my content. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section and I'll be pleased to answer you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye and God bless. Mwah.